For months, social media has been flooded with claims that Tesla is preparing to release an all-new 2026 Model 2, a budget-friendly electric car that many believed would change the entire EV market. Countless videos, edits, and AI-generated images have tried to convince people that this so-called $25000 Tesla is real. But now the truth is finally clear: most of these leaks are fake, and the Model 2 project is not happening. Elon Musk himself confirmed that Tesla is no longer building a low-cost Model 2. According to multiple credible reports, Musk explained that producing a completely new affordable model no longer makes sense because Tesla's long-term focus has shifted toward autonomous vehicles and the upcoming Robotaxi platform. This means the viral 2026 Tesla Model 2 images and hype online have no official backing. Instead of developing a brand new car, Tesla is said to be working on improved versions of existing models and new AI-based features. Some reports suggest that a more affordable version of the Model Y may be produced, but it will not be the revolutionary Model 2 that people expected. The decision surprised many fans, but it reflects Tesla's strategy to prioritize automation, full self-driving technology, and next-generation robotics. So, the truth is simple: there is no confirmed Tesla Model 2 coming in 2026, and the leaked designs circulating on social media are not real. Until Tesla officially announces a new model, all such leaks should be treated with caution. What is real, however, is Tesla's shift toward a future driven by advanced AI and self-driving technology, a future that Elon Musk believes will redefine transportation.